Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. Awesome car, guys. I actually picked this car up this past weekend. A buddy of mine met me down in Tennessee with it. It's a North Carolina car. I drove this car 3 days down there in 90-degree heat. Had it on the expressway at 75 miles an hour. Awesome car. Runs and drives excellent. Just a good, solid, straight North Carolina body. Rare car being a factory white hat. That is a factory painted top on this car. They call it a white hat. And I can't remember off the top of my head how many of them were produced. But man, very limited production, very rare, and I love it. I think it really adds to the way that, I mean, this car just pops. Like I say, great driver, fresh restoration, guys. I mean, it's a recent body up restoration, factory color combination, B5 blue with a white top and the matching interior, and nice. I'm telling you, this car was a pleasure to drive. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks, man, but other than that, hard to pick this car apart. Beautiful paint. Front bumpers been replaced. I saw one little mark on it. Grill's in great shape. It's got the dual front chin spoilers. Hood pins, got the fender mount turn signals. This is a great car, man. Like I say, fun to drive. Matching numbers, 340 car, matching numbers trans, correct rear end. I mean, this car is killer. Broadcast sheet. Look how nice that dash is in there. I love this white top. And again, this is the way it came. Trim's nice. And I got to do one of my favorite things in these old cars. Straight on the bottom. Nope, it's underneath. Got up a Saturday morning early, grabbed a cup of coffee, cruised down the expressway to visit a buddy of mine, and I love that, man. Old car, early in the morning, no traffic. This original rear bumper, you can see it does show its age. Yeah, I love that, man, and this thing just did great. A little cold-natured, I will say, in the morning. But I mean, literally, you know, give it 10-15 minutes to warm up, and it just rolled out. Original panel car. I didn't see where they replaced any panels on this thing. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the Mopar Rally wheels. You can see it's got the correct machine gun tips. That's a pretty car right there. Car's nice and clean underneath. A lot of you may not know this, but my son's a minor league ball player, and I drove this car twice to his ball games while I was down there. Got me the VIP parking in the shade where nobody can park next to me. I do appreciate, matter of fact, he said he was going to watch for my videos. Front disc brakes. You can go ahead and open the doors in the deck lid, Ed. So I really appreciate that, sir. They took care of me while I was down there. Now, there is really supposed to be hardly any miles at all on this car, on the engine and trans at least. They are brand spanking new, and I tell you what, when I crawled underneath, look at the steering box and everything, the front suspension looks brand new too. 4-barrel, it's got the stock intake in it, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, manual disc brakes, matching numbers, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. There's your original fender tag. This car is detailed up very nice underneath the hood. Matter of fact, we got some leaves, probably from when I had it parked underneath a tree when I was down there in Tennessee. Electronic ignition. I'll get that, Ed. It's not going to stay open because of the hill. Great car. I'll tell you, everything on it was working. You know, all the dash lights. We drove it at night, took it up in the mountains at night, my son and I. It's very good. Front windshield is new. The rest of the glass is a factory Chrysler glass. Oh, that's one thing. This fender mount turn signal was, or the hood mounts were working. That one was not. I'll have Steve look at that. I forgot to tell him about that too. I love a 340. I think that's one of the most underrated engines Chrysler ever built. This is a factory remote mirror. Looks like the original door handles. I think a lot of this stuff's original. This paint in here is original, guys. There's your original door tag. You can see how nice the body seam or the door seams are. I've got new floor mats on order for it from ACC. New carpet, new sill plates. You can see the door jambs are nice and clean. Bucket seats. You can see the wood grain center console. The beep beep horn works. It's got all the seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. All the gauges work. Showing 46,000. I'm sure that's not original. Aftermarket. It's got a custom audio sounds, AM FM radio in it. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Again, I've got new Roadrunner floor mats on the way. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Again, this is original, guys. I love to see that. This tells you it wasn't some old rusty old car that somebody just painted up. It's a nice car. Some of the little flowers coming off the trees there. Factory jack with the spares in here. Original broadcast sheet. It's all, you can see the insulation still on the quarters. It's all body color like it should be. That's right from the factory like that. That's a Chrysler marking as it would come. It was coming down the line. Sorry. Go wing on the rear. Pretty paint. Car's got a killer look to it. Clean underneath. Floors are nice and clean. Like I said, it looks like that front suspension is brand new. Again, original paint. Look how clean that car is. Little things like that you can kind of nitpick, but kind of stuff just doesn't bother me. You know, I mean, I'd rather see original stuff than. And again, they all have an apology somewhere, man. I'm almost at 7,000 of these cars bought and sold now. It's never seen a perfect one. Beautiful interior. Little markup on your steering wheel there. Even the lights in the center console light up, the fiber optic lights. Go ahead, Eddie, you can start it up. So when you like go into reverse, it's red. You go into drive, it's green in the center console. Oops, sorry. I'll show you that trim. Door handle. Good car, man. He's revving the heck out of it. I mean, I like to say, it's just a good car. See if I can do this one-handed. This one's a little bit tougher. Yeah, got that one. I have a pin the best, but it ain't going anywhere. Yeah, pretty car. Gaps are nice. Hit your turn signal, Eddie. No, your turn signal. There you go. Yeah, I don't think that one was working. I'll have to check that one. Door buzzer works. Again, all your gauges are working. All the dash lights worked. You can roll that down so you can hear me. You can hear me. Brake lights work. Turn signals. Back up. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Ed. Yeah, backup lights work. Put it back in park. Give a little rev. Car sounds good. Runs strong too. Those 340s run great. Blower motor works. Oh, there I said no. The radio works. It was on when I got. This guy's in a station. Radio works, again, blower motor works. You can't see it because it's not nighttime, but like I say, little fiber optics work on the center console. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. Oh gosh, it's got the little flowers in the grill too from the headlights. Brights. Hit your bright switch. Yep, there you go. Turn signals. Again, beep beep horn works. Again, great car, guys. Make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of us on our social media, Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube, guys. Best way to keep track of us. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video like this.